Hey guys, this is Shegun Chapter for 7, the Trend Traders House Trading Harmony with the Market. Today is Monday, the 23rd of June 2025. I want to do a quick overview of the major pairs on the 15 minutes chart so that we can align our thinking in the best possible way before the New York session opens. Okay, we can see the US dollar Japanese yen. There was a nice gap here filled and then the price rallied. This type of move, we have to be aware of them. Okay, this move happened at the end of a wave structure. We have a structure here 1, 3, and 5. So these are emotional trades. Okay, we call this, where there's a strategy we trade, we call these emotional trades because people wants to sell here. Even after this gap, people wants to sell here, people want to sell here. The best thing you want to do with this type of move is actually to let the price come to you. And how will that price come to you? You wait for the price to finish, followed by a failure to make a move, a failure to make a higher high. Then we can look for fading the market to the downside. Let's go to the pound straight away. We had a trade on the pound on Friday, which was fantastic. The target was 134.17. You can see this, the price smashed that move down. The entry was actually better. The initial, let me see if I can find the trade. That was on 5 minutes chart. So our initial entry was there, okay, on the pound. Then they manipulated the high to actually complete the wave structure. When they completed the wave structure, I updated the post, okay, that we should go, because this is where we took the entry anyway, that we should take the short there. I think that's the post, okay. That was the update, okay. This is a better entry, and that's what we did. Close the trade. I updated it to close the trade this morning. The pound, what we have right now, we have some key levels. I'm gonna give those key levels. This is the best buy zone now for the pound after breaking the momentum low. Okay, this is a momentum low. This area here, okay, I'm not gonna say too much about these zones, but if you want to be profitable with your trades, these are the area you want to be buying from, not there. Okay, and if you want to sell, this is the best zone you want to sell from. These zones guarantees that you will be profitable, and I can't tell you how you come about this zone, but these are key. If you can close your eyes and ignore everything else that is going on, okay, on this chart, and just set an alert on these zones, and you tell me when the price gets there if you have what you're expecting or not. The CAD yen this morning, it's the same thing. It's not as strong as the dollar yen. Sorry about my voice. It's not as strong as the dollar yen, but price has rallied nicely. Okay, this here is the best area you want to be buying from. You need to see a correction. We can scalp, okay, to the downside. There's 2 data points here that is forming. Oh, is this not clicking? We have 2 data points here. And that will be like a trending support. Well, you have to be careful because we have a wave structure. So this is the end of 5 as well. So that's emotional trading as well. But this one here has been broken. After breaking this high, we have 1, 2, 3. So yeah, there's a high probability if we manage to break this low, and you don't want to take the first break actually if it happens. Okay, taking the first break here is too risky. You have to wait for the break and a retest that fails. That's the entry. But there's a possibility of this, okay, in the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. So the next one I'm going to be looking at is the euro yen. Last week when we did our portfolio selection, I was pointing out the strength in the euro yen. Even though we had the correction that took place, let's go back to the 15 minutes chart. Even though we have the correction, that was Monday. Yeah, we had a big move and a correction, and I was talking about the strength in this euro yen, and as you can see, it's still very strong. This is a trend, and you don't want to fight the trend. After the wave structure, you can counter the trade, but you have to be sure of what you're doing. The best thing you want to do, if possible, is to wait for the correction. If you don't know how to counter the trend, wait, because there will always be a pullback. That is one thing that's the only thing that is guaranteed in the forex market or in trading, any trading. It will not travel in a straight line. Okay, this is a trend. Even though it's going up, this trend is not traveling in a straight line. It's giving us a pullback as an opportunity to trade in the direction of the trend. Okay, so this is very powerful trend. For those that know what to do, this counter is possible, but the best trade you want to wait for is to wait for the price to come into this zone. This is the buy zone of the euro, which is actually very close to the price, and that may happen today or tomorrow. I don't know this 15 minutes chart, but you want to set an alert on this zone here. They may break it, but trust me, that's the best area to buy from. Okay, so that is the euro Japanese yen. We have the euro US dollar. The selling has already taken place this morning. They might give us another opportunity to sell again from that sell zone here. It's a big zone, so this might be a little bit of noisy area. Okay. Oh my days. This might be a little bit of, it might be noisy in this area, so watch out for that. In terms of wave structure, price is trading at the low, and you are close to the buy zone as well. So in this area here, this trade I posted a short trade on the euro, the analysis. I think that was 2 weeks ago. We've seen the break of the daily highs twice. That's the second break, and I said the second break always create a stronger retracement. And this area here is a high probability area for price to revisit. But why am I saying that? Is on the daily chart, 4-hour chart, we have a well-defined price action going on. Okay. But as you can see, this thing, like I said before in the euro yen as well, it's going up. It does not travel straight. It goes up, come down, goes up, come down. Now it's coming down. It will not travel straight. It will come down, it will go back up, it will come down, it will go back up. And you're expecting it to come down, to go back up, and so on and so forth. So you need to be able to find out where is the likelihood of price going back up or coming back down. And the way we do that is by counting the waves. Okay, we count the corrective waves, we count the impulsive waves, and that gives us a high probability. At least we are very close to the turnaround in the price. Okay, the I've done the dollar yen. Let's look at the another trade I need to look at, which you took on Friday, is the EURUSD. This, look at that. Excuse me. The end of the wave structure took place on Wednesday. We had a break as a continuation break here. This is a continuation break for the buyers. Okay, that happened, went to a little bit of consolidation. It took the low. This is actually a very good one. This pattern here, this is a pattern that every forex trader must learn. Okay, structure, momentum, consolidation, accumulation of orders, and they broke the low, stop hunt, and they will give you 3 rallies. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3. Now price is at the high. Okay, we're not gonna chase this. Wait, we already saw a little bit of break there. Wait for this to finish, and we can look for a fade back into this, not this area. I've just drawn this to illustrate that. That's not the buy zone. Okay, if price starts to come down below this momentum high, you may have a strong move. I don't want to project anything with that. So this is a rough one this morning. At least we have an idea of what we are looking for. The best trades are in the Japanese yen pairs. Okay, don't be surprised if these things give us a strong decline. Okay, if you want to buy the major, okay, maybe we can scalp the euro up and down. The pound, it's more of a stronger downtrend move, okay, below the momentum low. But we can start to look for buying opportunity around the 133.20. In terms of shorting the Japanese yen pairs, be careful shorting the dollar yen. This is strong, okay. You need to see a structure breakdown. That is why the Canadian Japanese yen is a better short for me. If you can deal with this type of move, even if it's just 10 pips here, 20 pips there, in terms of scalping, you can do that from a lower time frame. Okay, today is Monday, the 23rd of June. My name is Shogun Chatu for 7. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. I'm going to be updating some of the trades during the week if time permits me. And I wish you a successful trading week, and God bless.